Well, I be like Jingle Bello. Finally, thank God, this leader's finally seen the light. She finally left that horrible marriage. Her marriage is not do or die. I fear. Because I've been wondering, should this woman want to die in this marriage?
Be say una go dey marriage, una go dey pretend to una self. More una see Chacha wey make us believe say the first time when she first talk say she no dey marry again, say na bipolar na dey worry her that time. My people, wahala don burst now. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today na about Chacha and the husband again, my people. Wahala, they say it be like bicycle. My people, this one shockalize me. Why una they always pretend for marriage? Now that part now not the understand for our people. Una remember where Chacha fair come out whether 2 years ago, I don't know. When she talk, say he want leave her husband, say she not dey marry again. So many people can't talk, many even his brother can't talk that time, say she dey suffer oh. Now pretend now she did for the marriage oh. She is not happy oh. They can't talk so many things, my people. So now Chacha come tell us say na bipolar na she get. Because if people get that bipolar, they know they get sense and they know what they do that time. And he said that when she get belle, na that bipolar they come. I hope many of una remember because I want make una remember what she talk that time. So my people, nah. The same Chacha will tell us that I say na bipolar na him make her come up for the marriage. The same Chacha does still come out again now. Come still talk say she not dey marry again. Say she not fit pretend. Say everything dey okay. She not fit go die in silence. You understand, my people? He said nah. She want finally come out now. She not fit again. My people, why people they always they pretend? Why be say our women? I don't understand. Why una they always they pretend to una self when not they happy? And when you dey marriage, you know say this marriage is not working out and this man is treating you bad. You will be pretending like seriously? You go there, they pretend to yourself all because of that name say you marry. But you yourself know you are not happy. You yourself know say not be waiting I want, but man just did there because of that name say I dey marriage. And who tell you say now this man must be your husband because you bought for him? No. It might be say you don't already made mistake. You understand? Okay, Chacha will make us believe say na bipolar. Now she can't talk say una know say she first talk him whether a year ago or 2 years ago, I don't know for him. Say she first talk him say she want leave the marriage that time, but people can't say she dey lie that time. But now she can't lie say na bipolar. But now she want really come out now. She no want again. I was like, not be this church I mean they see him with this man. They go, they dance, they play love for live video. Why una the women they pretend? Why? So all those things where una they show us for social media are just fake. Now wow, it doesn't mean say those things where una they show us for social media are not fake. Hey, wahala be like bicycle by people oh. Women, well, una go take get sense, women. Una go just they know say this thing not they okay with una again. Una go just they pretend to una self. Women. Now wow. As you see me so, it not good, oh. If you just still good, I'll just talk. If you not good again, now me go see use my mouth. I not feel pretend though. You see this life, enjoyment. I too like happiness for my life. Anything go make me not dey happy, my dear, I go remove am fast. You understand? Not be say you come there, they pretend like say everything dey okay, and you yourself know say nothing. Say everything not dey okay. You go there, they pretend to yourself. Like seriously. See what the Chacha talk for the right way she write. Say she not fit pretend again. And many women dey inside this kind thing. They go just know say road no dey there. They go see dey there like I go dey wonder. Women, man from here tell you now. Let's assume say you first born. You can't say okay, you can't go see man again, you can't marry. And did not work out, my dear. My dear, no pretend though. Say because say you marry, no pretend. No. No pretend to yourself. If it's not working, it's not. Even though people want to laugh, you let them laugh. Now you wear shoe, now you know where they pay you. Even though your family member they tell you say stay there. You know say you don't fair born before. You want to come up for this one, my dear. You wait there, you know say you are not happy. You are pretending. You are pretending. What do you see they do there? What are you doing there? What are you doing? Until you come there, they die in silence there. Everything they okay. Fear not go let you complain again because make the man not say you they complain too much. You come there, they pretend. You go there okay. You go there, they do I too nice. I dey married. So that if people sit and say, I dey married, Joe, you go say, yes, I dey married. I'm a married woman. Inside house, you dey cry. You are not happy. Not be only beating. Man, say they deal with woman, no. Not be only beating. Now man, now you go show say man they beat you. No. Not be only beating, no. Emotional torture day. Wetin the man go they do, you go pass beating. He even beats you, he better pass. He better pass, oh. Una understand? Una wey dey marriage they pretend. Now all of una now they talk to so. If it's not working, it's not working. If it's not working, it's not working. And you go surprise say the men don't even tell them before say, I not want again. You go say no, you go dey okay. Everything go dey okay. Like seriously. Like seriously, my people. What about you not be even your own husband you deal with, all because because God sometimes say it go let you fail make mistake first before you meet the right person. Yeah, it dey happen like that sometimes. Not be saying that God be the one who impatient with the worry with women. Now they cause am. See Chacha now, we tell us say na bipolar. Chacha can still remember say that time when Ife talk saying no want the marriage again. But people they feel say na joke. Now she can't really serious now say she no want again. Una the year matter. My people, please women. Not die in silence. Don't pretend to yourself like everything is okay or because you just want the marriage. No. Don't when they pay me, you go see some women will be say they okay die. If man go see they treat them, they'll there they pretend because they make people not laugh me. May not be say people laugh me. May not be say I go teach people, I go do this topic again, part 2. Or man talk to women. Some women are really getting it wrong. Like seriously. You yourself know so your mind is not there, or because people not laugh you will just be there pretending to yourself, or because of that name marriage. And don't tell you say marriage na ticket to heaven. Who tell you like that? See Osinachi. Osinachi dey marriage when the man they beat him. The man they even they tell his brother, his sisters, his family say, if una not come carry Osinachi, I go maybe around one day. He they tell them every day. These people still leave their sister there. The mama he leave the daughter there because the daughter no one come out. Person not they tell you like that. Say, me one person not come me. I go me on a pikin one day. I go say let that kind man come climb me again. I go let that kind man come my house again. Like seriously. Like seriously, women. When I go just dey pretend to myself. I pray, may God open my eye one day. When I know the guy person. Say na enemy many of una dey with for his house. Una go dey with una enemy, una go also na one settle with una enemy. Now, what for some women, oh, my people, more than learn from this Chacha. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share this video. Let the video go viral in case you get sister where they do mumu like this for marriage. Make you send this video, give them, make it hear and make it see what they happen for the life. Thank you, my people. Please help me to share the video. Let the video go viral. Bye.
But I be like Jingle Bello. Finally, thank God. This leader's finally seen the light. She finally left that horrible marriage. Her marriage is not do or die, I fear. Because I've been wondering, should this woman want to die in this marriage, ni? Why leave this? Finally, oh, she don't wake up now. She don't break that shackles. She has finally announced that she's leaving her marriage. I just pray this one is for good now. Because she once said that she was leaving that marriage one time like that. And she came back to that. They said she was having mental disorder. This lady went through a lot. No. The domestic violence, the emotional violence and everything. You can pause and read here. Look up for the second time in 2 years. I am here again on social media, boldly declaring that I am done with my marriage. I'm sure this is going to be messy because that husband there, I heard that man get shoko for head. Because this one, this case is going to be messy. This is her husband, Austin Fanny. Her husband is a movie director and producer or something. This lady has been going through a lot in that marriage. Look at her and her 4 beautiful kids. At some point, she even disabled her Instagram page because she's going through a lot. This one is going through fire in that marriage. Thank God she left, though.